Hi. Oh, I love my little rooster, and my rooster loves me. I'm gonna cherish my rooster under the green pine tree. My little rooster goes cock-a-doodle-doo. Oh, I love my little pig, and my piggy loves me. I'm gonna cherish my pig under the green pine tree. My little piggy goes, my little rooster goes, cock-a-doodle-doo. Oh, I love my little snake, and my snake loves me. I'm gonna cherish my snake under the green pine tree. My little snake goes, sss, sss. My little piggy goes, my little rooster goes, cock-a-doodle-doo. Oh, I love my little kitty, and my kitty loves me. I'm gonna cherish my kitty under the green pine tree. My little kitty goes, my little snake goes, tss, tss. My little pig goes, my little rooster goes, cock-a-doodle-doo. What little creature could you cherish under your pine tree? Sing about your creature and make the sound of the creature. Bye.